One of the FCC's top priorities is to ensure that America leads the world in wireless innovation. Most of us are familiar with 4G LTE, but the next generation of wireless services involves something called 5G. 5G will mean much faster speeds and much lower latency. That is, less lag time for the network to respond when you click on a link. In short, 5G will help enable cutting-edge applications like high-definition telehealth, virtual reality, the Internet of Things, and other novel ideas we can't conceive today. To promote American leadership in 5G, I've unveiled the 5G FAST Plan, a blueprint to facilitate America's superiority in 5G technology. My plan includes three key components: freeing up spectrum, promoting wireless infrastructure, and modernizing regulations. The FCC is moving forward aggressively on all fronts. We're making more airwaves available in all kinds of frequencies. The FCC has kicked off its 5G spectrum auctions, which will push almost 5 gigahertz of spectrum into the commercial marketplace. That is more spectrum than is currently used by all mobile broadband providers combined. We're also making it easier to deploy the kind of infrastructure needed to use 5G spectrum. That's because 5G networks will rely on much smaller, more densely packed infrastructure, operating at lower power, infrastructure called small cells. So we're streamlining our processes to make sure regulations designed for 200-foot tall towers are adjusted to match these new kinds of infrastructure. Finally, the last part of our three-legged stool of our 5G FAST Plan is modernizing regulations. Here too, we're updating our rules to promote more installation of optical fiber, which will be critical for carrying all of this 5G traffic around the country. You can learn more about my plan at www.fcc.gov/5G. We've seen wireless phones morph from voice-only devices to become connected computers over the past few years. In the next few years, we'll see even more dramatic changes and advances in technology thanks to 5G. We want the United States to be at the forefront of this innovation. And that's why the FCC is doing everything it can to encourage 5G.